Mokchung district under 28 Kuridang constituency de by election thakibole nimde party alak alak pra tayari kuri thaki ase eto homoy national people's party la candidate aya benjang ge support dikhai gina longkham bosti bra felicitation program rakhi dis benjang bra bosti de aya homoy longkham village council bra loi gina chairman elder supporters or well wishers khan sob pra taige bishi bhal bra welcome kuria dikhi paise npp candidate logo party la national vice president vevoi video National People's Women Front La President ane coming aro alak senior officials aro workers khan aise program de aya benjang bra bosti mano jama kori na thakya khan ge bishi khushi janaise aro itya to redemption la homoy ase etu nimide manu sob ke uthi bole koise Koridang constituency la progress welfare aro unity kane kaam koribo koina benjang bra commitment dise nena hoina NPP national vice president bra bi takan la biswas to benjang logo ase koina janaise aro region la grassroots realities bujigna tai pra kaam do koribo Benjang pra Koridang constituency under bosti alak alak te campaign jabule akha kuri ase